guys, so I'm starting off with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, and I'm going ahead and priming my face. We're going to go ahead and prime it. Even though I'm using tinted moisturizer, I still want to apply a base underneath it so that I can get that glow that I'm looking for. And this primer feels like lotion, and I just love it so much. Next, we're going in with the Bobbi Brown eye corrector in the shade, I believe is Bisque, and I'm just going ahead and correcting underneath my eyes. I don't have dark circles, but I feel like it makes a difference when I apply my concealer on top. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with my fingers, and you can instantly see that there is some type of color there or some type of pigment. And now I'm going in with the Morphe 2 tinted moisturizer in the shade Coca, and I'm going ahead and applying it on over to my skin. I just need this to cover the dark spots, as all of my active acne are pretty much gone. This is just all dark spots that are left from the acne that I had originally, which is slowly clearing up, and I'm just using tinted moisturizer to give me a more even base. So the tinted moisturizer is not necessarily a foundation, so it's not going to cover everything perfectly, as this is a sheer to medium coverage, but you can keep adding and building it up and putting it on the spots that you need it the most. And for me, it's mainly at the bottom of my jawline and at the top of my cheeks. And after that, the rest of my face, I just use whatever product is left on the brush to go ahead and just add a tint of color to it. I'm going in with the Sephora Micro Smooth powder so I can go ahead and set this moisturizer in place. It's not going to set 100% because it is moisturizer, but I feel that it gives me more of a mattifying look while leaving the glow underneath. And now I'm going to conceal under my eyes with a Morphe concealer. This is almost the same shade as me, so I use it so that it doesn't look too crazy like I have a highlight, but it is a subtle look. And you can use it to spot conceal too, and I love it because it's thick and creamy, and it gives you an almost seamless blend underneath your eyes. Once I'm done blending, I'm gonna go ahead and set that concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I told y'all I love this powder so much. I use it to set all over my face sometimes, and mainly underneath my eyes. As you can see, it did not change the color of the concealer. It just brightened it just a tad bit, but it also melted into my skin and didn't leave any flashback or cakiness. And now I'm going to go ahead and bronze my skin with the Morphe Brontour, and it comes with a contour shade and a highlight, and I just use it to go ahead and bronze my forehead, the sides of my cheekbones, my jawline, and a little bit on my nose. And now I'm highlighting with the Maybelline Master Chrome and setting with the Revolution Matte Fix Oil Control Primer Spray, so that I can go ahead and set everything in place and give me that nice dewiness and melt all of the powders in on my face. And the shade for the highlighter is Molten Topaz, and I feel like it is the best highlighter for chocolate and melanin. As you can see, it gives you that gold bronzy look on the side of your cheeks without leaving a streak on your skin. It just melts right onto it. But I have a couple of pimples, so it may look like it's smeared on top of it, but it actually blends right into my skin. Now I'm going in with a Clinique Mascara. I got this for free when I purchased their 3-step system, So I'm just applying it to my lashes. As I stated before, I do not wear falsies. I just wear mascara. And then on a regular day, I wear lip gloss, no lipstick, nothing too crazy. And this is the one from Fenty Beauty. This is the Gloss Bomb. It's super hydrating and moisturizing. And now I'm just fixing my hair. It was pulled back while I did my makeup. And this is a headband wig that I'm wearing from a company called Yes Wigs. And this is the final look of how I get my glowy no makeup look. And I'll see y'all next week. Bye.